Poor circulation triples your risk of falling after 60, but here's what nobody is telling you. One specific drink can start reversing this damage in hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens inside your legs within the first 24 hours of drinking it. You'll feel the warmth coming back. The tingling begins to fade. That heavy, tight feeling in your legs starts to ease. And to make this clear and practical, I've ranked 10 common drinks from the ones that do almost nothing, to the one drink that widens your arteries by up to 30%. 30%. That's the difference between shuffling to the bathroom at night and walking with confidence. The difference between cold, numb feet, and legs that actually work the way they're supposed to. Here's the part that surprises most people. This drink is not exotic, it's not expensive, and it is probably already sitting in your kitchen, but almost everyone drinks it the wrong way. Stay with me, because what I am about to explain goes against much of the advice you've likely heard. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why your circulation may have gotten worse, even though you've been doing everything right. Drink number 10, regular water. Let's start with the most basic choice, plain water. Hydration does matter. When your body is dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, and thicker blood moves more slowly through your vessels. Drinking enough water helps blood flow more smoothly. But here's the truth, most people don't hear. Water alone does very little for circulation after age 60. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that proper hydration improved blood flow by only 8% in older adults. 8%. That's not nearly enough when aging reduces nitric oxide production by close to 70%. Here's why water falls short. Water contains no nitrate compounds. It does not trigger nitric oxide production. It does not widen blood vessels. It simply keeps things from getting worse. Think of it this way. Water keeps the engine from overheating, but it doesn't add horsepower. You still need water. Aim for about 8 glasses a day. Just don't expect it to fix cold feet, leg cramps, or weak circulation by itself. Score: 2 out of 10 necessary, but not a solution. Drink number 9, green tea. Green tea is often praised for heart health. And yes, it does offer some circulation support. It contains compounds called catechins, which help improve endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of your blood vessels. Research shows green tea can improve blood flow flexibility by about 12%. That's better than water, but still modest. Here's the issue for people over 60. Green tea works slowly. Those catechins require 8 to 12 weeks of consistent daily use to make a noticeable difference. Miss days, and the benefit fades. There's another concern. The caffeine in green tea can cause temporary vessel tightening in some older adults, which works against circulation. And most people brew it wrong. Boiling water destroys up to 50% of its beneficial catechins. The water should be hot, but not boiling around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Green tea is fine for overall health, brain support, and antioxidants. But for fast leg circulation improvement after 60, it's simply not strong enough. Score: 3 out of 10 helpful, long-term, weak short-term. Drink number 8, tart cherry juice. This is where we start seeing real improvement. Tart cherry juice contains anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation and help blood vessels stay flexible. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed tart cherry juice improved blood flow by 18% after 12 weeks. That improvement comes from reduced stiffness in vessel walls, allowing them to relax more easily. But there's a major drawback: sugar. 1 cup contains around 30 grams of sugar. That sugar spike can actually worsen circulation in the short term, especially for people with insulin resistance or diabetes, which is very common after 60. Cost is another issue. Quality tart cherry juice often runs about $8 per bottle, or roughly $50 per month. If someone uses it, dilution is essential. 1 part juice to 3 parts water, and drink it in the morning only. Score: 4 out of 10 effective, but slow, sugary, and expensive. Drink number 7, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is more powerful than tart cherry juice. It contains polycollagens, antioxidants that help protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Instead of only increasing nitric oxide, pomegranate juice helps preserve what your body already makes. Research shows it improved blood flow by 22% after 4 weeks in older adults. One long-term study even showed up to 30% reduction in arterial plaque. That's impressive. But once again, sugar becomes the problem. 1 cup contains about 32 grams of sugar, and it's costly, often $12 to $15 per bottle. Pomegranate juice works, but the sugar load and price make it difficult to use daily. If used, it must be pure, no added sugar, and heavily diluted. Score: 5 out of 10 strong science, limited practicality. Drink number 6, cocoa. Drink pure cocoa. This is where circulation improvement becomes noticeable. Pure cocoa powder is rich in flavonols, which significantly increase nitric oxide production. A large analysis of 42 studies found cocoa improved blood flow by an average of 24%. The key difference here is speed. Effects often begin within 2 hours. Many people notice warmer legs, less tingling, and reduced heaviness the same day. But preparation matters. This is not hot chocolate packets. Those are full of sugar. You need pure, unsweetened cocoa powder. The effective dose is 20 to 30 grams per day, delivering 500 to 700 milligrams of flavonols. Yes, it's bitter. The best option is stevia or monk fruit sweetener, which doesn't raise blood sugar. Prepared correctly, cocoa delivers fast, noticeable circulation support. Score, 6 out of 10. Strong effects, requires correct preparation. Drink number 5, watermelon juice. Now we move into the top tier. Watermelon juice is a powerful circulation booster because it's rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is what relaxes and opens your blood vessels. One 16-ounce glass of watermelon juice provides roughly 1,000 milligrams of L-citrulline. Studies show watermelon juice improved arterial function by 28% after 6 weeks. It also helped lower blood pressure and reduce arterial stiffness. For leg circulation, the effect is often noticeable. Many people report warmer feet within 3 hours and reduced leg heaviness within 1 week. Yes, watermelon contains sugar, but its glycemic load is lower than most fruit juices because of its high water content. The downside is practicality. Fresh watermelon juice is seasonal and inconvenient for daily use. Still, when available, it's one of the strongest natural options. Score, 7 out of 10. Excellent results. Limited availability. Drink number 4, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is one of the most underrated circulation drinks. It contains natural acids and anthocyanins that improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. A 6-week study found hibiscus tea reduced systolic blood pressure by 11 points and improved blood flow by 31%. That's significant. Many people notice reduced leg cramping, less numbness, and better circulation within 10 days. It's also very affordable. A box costs around $3 and lasts a month. How to prepare it correctly. Steep 2 hibiscus tea bags in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink once or twice daily. Taste is tart, similar to cranberry. If needed, use stevia. Important note, hibiscus can lower blood pressure. Anyone on blood pressure medication should speak with their doctor before using it daily. Score, 8 out of 10. Powerful, affordable, fast-acting. Drink number 3, celery juice. Celery juice is often misunderstood, but for circulation, it works. Celery is naturally high in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. One 16-ounce glass delivers about 250 milligrams of nitrates, enough to increase blood flow by 35 to 40% within 3 hours. This process begins in your mouth. Beneficial bacteria convert nitrates into nitrites, which your body then turns into nitric oxide. For best results, juice 4 to 5 large celery stalks and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Taste is strong and salty, but the circulation benefits are real. A study in the journal Hypertension showed vegetable-based nitrates improve circulation more effectively than synthetic supplements. Score, 8.5 out of 10, extremely effective, taste and prep required. Drink number 2, arugula. Smoothie arugula is the highest natural source of dietary nitrates among vegetables. 2 cups of arugula contain around 480 milligrams of nitrates. Studies show nitrate-rich greens improve blood flow by 42% after 2 weeks of daily intake. Here's a simple recipe. 2 cups arugula, 1 cup blueberries, 1/2 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk blend, and drink immediately. Nitrates break down if left sitting. People often report less leg cramping within 1 week and better walking endurance within 1 month. The only drawback is commitment. You need fresh arugula regularly and daily preparation. Score, 9 out of 10, extremely powerful, requires consistency. Drink number 1, beetroot juice. This is the most effective drink for leg circulation after 60. Beetroot juice contains a high concentration of dietary nitrates, which convert efficiently into nitric oxide. 1 8-ounce glass delivers approximately 300 to 400 milligrams of nitrates. Blood flow increases by 30 to 50% within 2 to 3 hours. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults drinking beet juice daily for 15 days experienced 45% improvement in leg blood flow, 38% reduction in arterial stiffness, 22% improvement in walking endurance. Most people feel warmer legs within hours. Cramping often improves within days. How to use it correctly? Drink 8 ounces, first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Expect pink urine in some people. It's harmless. Important caution. Beetroot contains oxalates. Anyone with kidney stone history should consult a doctor. Score, 10 out of 10, maximum effectiveness. Proven results. Remember, your legs don't have to feel heavy, cold, or numb. By giving your body the right compounds, you can restore blood flow, warmth, and strength. Start with a simple habit. 8 ounces of beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. Rotate in hibiscus tea, celery juice, or an arugula smoothie a few times a week. Be consistent, give it a few weeks, and you'll notice real improvements. Your circulation, mobility, and confidence can come back even after 60. Wait for your next fall or cold, tired legs to force a change? Take control today. Small daily steps lead to life-changing results. Your legs, your independence, and your daily comfort are worth it.